Hello and welcome. Today I am talking all about egg substitutions and egg replacements in baking recipes and other recipes. Eggs are actually very crucial in baking for providing structure, moisture, richness, flavor, and color. They act as binders, emulsifiers, and leaveners to create everything from light cakes to dense cookies by holding ingredients together, trapping air, and giving a tender, cohesive crumb. But there are some substitutes and replacements that you can use for eggs which achieve similar results. They're never going to be the same. The best egg substitution is another egg. But here are some things that you can use instead of eggs. Number 1, flaxseed egg. 1 egg equals 1 tablespoon of flaxseed plus 3 tablespoons of water. The best uses for this type of egg substitution are cakes and brownies. Next, applesauce. 1 egg is equal to 1/4 cup of applesauce. And this is best used in like quick bread, muffins, cookies, and cakes. Next, mashed banana. 1 egg is equal to 1/2 of a mashed ripe banana. And similar to applesauce, this is best used in quick bread, muffins, cookies, and cakes. Next, the chia egg. 1 egg is equal to 1 tablespoon of chia seeds plus 3 tablespoons of water. The best uses for this are in cookies, pancakes, and no-bake desserts. Next, the cornstarch egg. 1 egg is equal to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch plus 3 tablespoons of water. The best uses for this are custards, pies, and cheesecakes. Next, silken tofu. 1 egg is equal to 1/4 cup of silken tofu. The best uses for this are quick breads, muffins, pound cakes, cheesecakes, pies, and puddings. Next, we have yogurt, either plant-based yogurt or just like a Greek yogurt. 1 egg is equal to 1/4 cup of yogurt. The best uses for this, similar to applesauce and mashed banana, quick bread, muffins, cookies, and cakes. And finally, we have a chickpea brine. So 1 egg is equal to 1/4 cup of chickpea brine. And this is best used for meringues, cakes, and cookies. And if you're not familiar with what a chickpea brine is, it's kind of that liquid that comes in your can of chickpeas. And there are more substitutes than this. These are some of the most common ones. Hopefully they will help you out in your baking, whether you're doing vegan baking or you just don't want to use eggs. Take care and happy baking.